What's up guys, Destin Cantrell, freestyle motocross rider. We're out here in Temecula, California with Pedal Commander. About to install this on my 2018 3.5 Ecoboost F250.
All right, so basically you got a PC18 for your Ford. It's just gonna plug right in line with your APS sensor, so it's just a plug and play system.
Oh nice, easy.
The car's been off, the truck's been off for about 15 minutes or so,
Yep.
So we're good to go. We'll just
Sweet.
plug it in and start ripping around.
Yeah, let's go.
Awesome.
Race truck time. This'll just Bluetooth to my phone, right? So then I can just kind of stash it up there and select everything on my phone.
Oh yeah, definitely. So yeah, if you don't want it on your dash, you can just hide it and then use your Bluetooth app.
Yeah, I like that. That's nice.
All right, so from the unit, the star controls your individual settings turning on, turn off. 1 for city, 2 for sport, 3 for sport plus, 4 is off. Press and hold for 3 seconds for eco mode. That's a huge delay in your gas pedal.
So don't run that one is what you're saying, because I want to run Sport Plus and race all day.
Yeah, exactly. Plus, minus, increase, decrease sensitivity within each mode so you can find your comfort spot.
Oh, sweet.
So play with a little bit, kind of get an idea of what you want to do or kind of where you want to sit at. The same with the app. Once you have it on, it'll end up connecting, so you can just change right there. You can tuck this up, hide it in the dash,
Sweet.
whatever you want to do.
Yeah, that's easy. I like that.
Yeah, simple. So it should show you an eco, and then you can just change your modes.
Oh,
And
wow.
it's basically, it's instantaneous. There's no delay really at all in that. So yeah, so let's go rip it around, see what it's doing.
So as long as you're not touching the gas, you're good, right?
Yeah.
So should I just do city, or should I go from nothing to all the way up?
You could do that.
Yeah, I want to do that.
And then just do +4.
Oh yeah. Fun mode.
You're just gonna burn out.
All right. Oh my god, dude. It just keeps going. Oh my god, dude. Oh shit, there's a car. Dude, that was instant.
Completely different.
Oh my god.
And then it's go back to your stock pedal.
Dude, I'm never gonna want to drive it in any other mode.
You know what I noticed too is, like, with a lot of people, it's fun to be able to play with all that torquiness and being able to change the sensitivity, but they end up finding just a sweet spot for their ride, you know, and they just tap in, and then that's where they set it, and they pretty much never change it again.
Yeah, I can see it. It's tough to probably drive like that.
Mm-hmm.
Like stop and
Every
go
day,
in the
just
city.
bounce around.
Even though I like that, but dude,
it's a
that
little
is
difference.
insane. We went from just bone stock, and then we went all the way up to Sport Plus and +4, and that thing was scary fast, like instant.
Instant, huh?
Instant.
Nice.
Dude, night and day. That thing is so sick. Now I'm gonna go back to stock and see how fast.
So yeah, so we'll try just
So then
back
just,
to your stock throttle, and
that's it,
you'll
right?
see, yeah,
Off.
and you'll see just how massive of a difference it is.
Dude, it's so weak. I don't even need to go all the way down. That's horrible. Dude, no way. That's like sold right away. As soon as you try it, you're sold.
It's crazy.
Yeah. Dude, that
Night and day difference.
like does nothing.
And you can change it right now, so like as you're driving, you can click through it.
Oh, as long as you're not touching it.
Yeah, just if you let off, and then you can just
City.
kind of figure your sweet spot. I think on a lot of the F-150s, people are kind of in Sport +2, between like City +3 to Sport +2 in that range, and that's kind of where they feel, depending on what they've done, is like their go-to.
Yeah, dude, that's so gnarly how it's just so instant, so touchy.
Yeah.
Dude. that is crazy. That's so cool. Like, I usually just drive my truck in sport mode.
Mm-hmm.
And it's 10 times better than just the sport mode that comes with my truck. And I thought that was good.
So, man, how was it?
Dude, this pedal commander has changed this truck. Like, I don't know how I ever drove without it. So I think we should go to my house and install it on my Ford Explorer now, because that thing really needs some help.
All right, man. Sounds good.
Yeah, let's
go.
do it.